Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. I wish that every student is okay and enjoying good health at his or her home. This situation which we are facing nowadays, the situation caused by the lockdown and COVID 19, it's very alarming, it's very challenging. We have been facing different type of challenges and the lack of will and the lack of commitment to exercise and to conduct classes physically is one of them. So among those challenges, it has been decided by the university to start and begin online classes, and for this purpose learning management system has been established. uh, I personally believe that it was very difficult and very hard for most of the students to understand the LMS system. Even I took very much headache and I was very much confused in the beginning to understand the working of the LMS system and to have online sessions, because teaching a class physically and having a class electronically is quite different thing. When we teach in the classroom, when you students learn in the classroom, that is something different. And when it is being taught on audio recording or on video recording, it's just something like talking to oneself. So I'm very much surprised and shocked by the situation that I am talking to myself and I am imagining that I am talking to you. You are sitting in front of me. So it is very ridiculous. It is very funny situation that students are not sitting in front of me, but I have to record the lecture in this situation with this assumption that you are listening to me physically. Anyways, it is very difficult, but we have to do it. So I decided to take first lecture on the topic, the theories of human rights. I have already mentioned the topic in the WhatsApp group. I will be providing this link, audio visual link, on the LMS site, and I will also provide the zip file on the WhatsApp group. You can click onto that file and you can download that file. So before going into much details and telling you other things related to the upcoming situations where we will be possible to arrange physical classes, it should be promised, it should be kept in mind that the situation which we are facing nowadays is quite different situation, is quite unique situation, where we have to be committed and we have to be very much serious to our learning purposes. So you are all of the students are also directed that please mark your attendance on the LMS website or LMS forum, where the section of the attendance has been given. Your attendance will be checked by the authorities, and plus you can give your suggestions, you can give your comments on the WhatsApp group, that what other problems you are facing, whether the problem of networking or the availability of internet, so on and so forth. If you have any type of such problem, you can share with any of your teacher on to the WhatsApp group or on to the given section of the LMS page. So now start with the topic, that is the theories of human rights.